Good morning to all of you. Today we start topic indenting. The importance of indenting needs considerable emphasis in volume. Catering establishments, banquet department in a hotel often makes more profit and revenue as compared to a restaurant. The food cost for a restaurant might be a 30% as compared to that for a banquet operation, which might operate at food cost of 12 to 15% depending on the type of functions. The next one is principles of intending for volume feeding. For volume catering establishments, the principles of intending would be based on the number of people an establishment is catering to. In volume cooking, one has to cook at menu in totally and only can he or she prepare an indent sheet. This is the indent sheet of hotel. The first type of function या dinner पैक्स कितने और द कॉलम इज इंग्रेडिएंट्स चिकन फ्राई तवा मिर्ची जीरा पुलाव येलो दाल पनीर मखनी आलू गोभी टोटल प्राइस एंड कॉस्ट. The last column is total cost. The advantage of preparing indent sheet is that gives you a concise ingredient list and ensure that you have not missed any ingredient that need to be ordered. This also helps to control production factors that guide the principles of indenting as follows. The first one is yield of product. The yield of a particular commodity has a huge impact on the indenting for volumes. All the recipes should be updated with the yields, as we need to indent for the net weight in a recipe and not for the usual weight. Similarly, when a product is ordered for a particular recipe, the cuts listed in the recipe must be strictly followed to adhere to the cost and quality. The next one is type of event. The type of event for which the food is required also play a major role in the indent of food. Wedding function would have huge range of menu catering to up 1000 people or sometimes even more. When the variety is more, the quantities consumed will be comparatively less, as most of the guests would like to taste most of the varieties. The, the next is regional influence. Regional food also play an important role in deciding the indenting for a particular item. People from Bengal would eat to seafood, while people from North India would prefer chicken. The type of dish also play an important part in deciding the quantity of procured. For example, the better fried fish would be consumed more than the fish curry and rice, and similarly, the consumption of chicken kebab will be more than chicken curry with bread or rice. The last one is service style. The style of service, whether buffet or a la carte, also determine the indenting and portion size of a dish. It is easy to predict the quantities for a mixed portion size, but the challenge arises when food is laid out on bullet for self-service. Many institutions catering a buffet is controlled by the catering managers and strict portion is exercised food items. But in hotels, the food on a buffet cannot be controlled. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academics.